Okay, I'm going to walk you through the process of starting up the CNC machine when you first come in. Alright, to start off, we're going to press the power on button. And you'll hear the machine beep, and the control will start to produce something on the screen. It's initializing, and it gives you the HAAS screensaver, which tells you the version number and the MOCON board number. Sometimes useful if you ever have to call into HAAS for a repair. And it'll take just a second. It's pretty quick. And there we are. We are at our opening page. And as you'll notice, we have an alarm. This is normal. If you ever walk into a shop and start up a HAAS CNC, when you first turn it on, you're going to get this alarm, which is the beacon blinking red. And it'll also tell you the alarm code down at the bottom. You can see here it says 107, which is the code, emergency off. It also says release the emergency stop button. So it walks you through the process of getting up and going. So we're going to go over to the side here and we're going to release the emergency stop button. And then it says, okay, thank you. Open the door, please. Okay, so we're going to come over and we're going to open the door, and we just need to release the safety switch, which is right there. And then we're going to close the door. Once we've done that, it says press reset to enable servos. On the control, the reset button is this big orange rectangular button. So we're going to press reset. And I still have the error. So I'm going to press it again. And then the error goes away. So the key there is just to follow the instructions HAAS are giving us and press the reset button twice. Okay, next up is power up or zero all axes. And that button is located right next to the reset button. Okay, so we're going to press power up, restart. And the machine is going to go through a process of homing the table and homing the spindle. And the home position for this CNC machine is this upper left-hand corner, or closest to the operator. Okay? Alright, once that's been done, this machine is ready to go. The only error that we have now, well, I should say the two errors that we have are low air pressure, and that's simply because I haven't turned on the air compressor yet, and the coolant is a little bit low. Okay, hope this helps.